Ja, letzte Nacht hier in Vegas. Ich spiele High Stakes und möchte euch schnell die Runde vorstellen. Wir haben Seat 1, Doyle, Big Head Brunson, dann Curly Hair Jennifer Harmon, Vanessa Swiss Head Russo,
Hands off my money.
then
Hands off my money.
Swiss Bettina. Shake your hands.
chips? That's
Oh.
chips.
There's Dan, the Super Pro Dan from downtown Las Vegas. Then the
Squarehead Kyle.
beerhead Kyle with he has so many tells, even he's wearing this thing. And this is chief of the house. Basically, she's the donator of all the money. Everybody, as soon as she leaves, the game is gonna break anyway. And that's my chips. I mean, I'm winning obviously, and that's why I'm drinking beer in a game like this with
Local beer.
low
carb.
so bad people.
good
I can afford to drink as many beers as I want to.
Hey,
And-
listen.
Yeah, and that's my joker. Oh, that's shit! That's how I do it. That's my joker, and that's my bankroll. That's my bankroll. My whole bankroll is in here. So, okay, that's the big poker round in Canada. Yeah.